Proper British Dishes Part 35. Pretzels on fucking fire. This was a wartime delicacy when families needed to simultaneously feed their children and heat their homes.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
Shut up, Patrick! Shut the fuck up!
Hamburger!
What is that? Hamburger.
We're ahead. Quiet, you. Well, you're not so quiet.
It's a tightrope.
I have a fear of heights.